entrepreneurship mentality. One will have the confidence in him. And that slogan is बेरोजगार से लेकर स्वरोजगार अर्थात encourage them. And really, for us and the people of the country will be the entrepreneur. Our view or our view, not only as Modi, the terrorists created this problem. And when Modi ji Pakistan and went to Nawaz Sharif house and is congratulated daughter's daughter, granddaughter, because she was going to be married. And how terrorists will 4 terrorists have been killed, and we are searching like anything. And I can say we are allowed to come in India. We are very much cautious about that.
But reports say
Earliest possible. But I request you, honorable journalist people, should ask the question of Congress. Whether they want the benefit of the people or not. Congress is creating the problem.
an incident, in fact, that RSS say that it is the ISI behind it.
Maybe. Mudra is up to 50,000. Kishore Mudra is small, micro, Gariban. Poor people. Given loan without any guarantee. Some of this revival and rehabilitation of the enterprise. It has come slowly and slowly. I think awareness will be there. Kiska? Revolve ka? No, aapko jankari nahi. You don't know. It has been already done. It has been already done. No, RBI ko to So NPA, and a lot of NPA, small units have become the NPA. Though NPA money is more and more, largest enterprises have the more NPA. I got the data that more than 1,13,000 tax fraud is NPA of largest, up 10 largest only. And so far as the small industry is concerned, 40 or 50,000 crore only. And we are trying that the number of NPA should be less. Some inquiry has been sought to the Reserve Bank of India. That will be given. But we are trying in that direction. The main problem of small-scale entrepreneurs are they are demanding that according to base interest rate, loan is not given, but more than base rate interest rate, the loan is given. This interest rate should be less. And this type of demand is coming from so many quarters. Interest rate should be less. I in the favor of, personally in the favor of, to interest should be less.
No, regarding your procurement policy,
Yeah.
MSMEs, they complaining that delayed payment.
Delayed payment is a problem, but we are also resolving that problem.
Sir, it is the
Because we have formed a committee who will monitor, and about the delayed payment, whosoever will be responsible, that type of warning will be given.
Sir, it is the manifesto of the BJP to construct a rock temple, and now various even RSS is saying that.
Since so many times it has been told, I think not necessarily given a reply of this question. Mudra scheme is very good scheme, and it has been classified in 3 phases. Number 1 is Shishu Mudra. Number 2 is Kishore Mudra. Shishu Mudra is up to 50,000. Kishore Mudra is 50,000, 1 to 5 lakhs. And Tarun Mudra is 5 lakh, 1 to 10 lakh. Limit is 10 lakhs. Mostly, Shishu Mudra is succeeded. More than 70 lakhs small, micro, garib aadmi, poor people, benefited. Sabji wala, thela wala, rickshaw wala, trading, patri dukandar, trading karne wala. They were given loan without any guarantee. Some of the complaints came before us, but mostly it is being done from the banks. ठीक है? He is trying to. Tell me.
He is telling in Coimbatore, lot of MSMEs are there. Are you going to announce any special scheme for them? In
I have already announced in Tirupur. MSME has accepted to give the benefit of common facility centers for knitwear. I have also announced that in Tirupur, entrepreneurs want to launch a design studio. They wanted some help from MSME, help of software. I have already told my officers that first you study about the software and we will assist them.
How much are they seeking?
Yeah?
How much help are they seeking?
Whatsoever we require.
Okay, Maharashtra and Gujarat.
And one thing more, there is national integrated skill development scheme in NIFT, you may say. So they wanted to that MSME should assist it. I have accepted. And our one National Institute of Micro, Small, Medium Institution, that is in NIMESME, that is in Hyderabad. I have already told that institution that will assist this national integrated skill development scheme of Tirupur. And so far as Coimbatore is concerned, I have already told that some clusters should be identified. If the cluster will be identified, then there is technical agency and implementing agency, which state government has already created. After the recommendation of that, central government will give all the facility. But procedure is this. I am ready to give that amenities for one cluster, common facility center.
So yesterday the CPI leader A.P. Vardhan had asked me your message.
A.P. Vardhan was very good politician and a renowned leader of CPI. I have the good relation with him, though we are ideologically have the differences, but really he was good leader. He was dedicated to his party as well as the ideology. After his passing away, sure, we have lost a great leader. I have my great concern to you.
Sir, after the Chennai floods, you said a lot of MSMEs were affected, and then you said you are also ready to help them.
Yeah. And I have already, the demands were made before me in Chennai, and those demands were mostly related to finance. And next very day, I gave those demands to finance minister, and finance minister assured me that he will implement, and so far as I know that it has been already implemented.
Okay,
Thanks.
the raw material cheap in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Raw material cheapest in Gujarat and Maharashtra. But Tamil Nadu very high position. What's Gov doing regarding that?
Regarding cotton,
Yeah.
it should be looked into what's the reason, I can't say just now.
No, there are reports of a decline in engineering exports this year.
Some declination is there, no doubt. But it will be, again, it will be increased. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद साहब आप लोगों को.